I am really a firm believer of natural products or organic products. Team Natural here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And this is Tanya again, and I'm here for another episode of my vlog. And today is a very special day because this will be the first time na gagawa ako ng isang content na requested coming from one of my subscribers. I just want to give a shout out to Kate Z. Marler. She made a comment on my how to lighten your underarm, and she requested that if I could make a DIY solution for dry skin or how to make your own moisturizer. And fortunate enough that I have been using this natural product or a DIY solution for quite a while now, as a diver and also as an outdoorsy person. I am always exposing myself to sunlight, and if you're exposing yourself too much to sunlight, then you'll be also prone to have a dry skin. So I can't afford to buy a lot of products that can, para lang ma-moisturize yung skin mo. And also, I am not really a fan of using products after products kasi parang ano lang siya, for me parang it will just aggravate the situation of your skin, since I have a very sensitive skin. I have a dry skin, dry to oily skin, and also an acne prone skin. So I always resort to using organic products. So this is just like another kind of raid your kitchen episode. As you can see, these are the different products that I'll be using now, or I'll be showing to you. These are the ingredients for my DIY solution for my own moisturizer. And I have been using this one since last year. And whenever after my dive, I mean, this is what I usually do. I put it on my skin and just leave it for 3 to 10 minutes. It depends what solution that I'll be using. So I'll be happy to share this one to you, Kate Z. Marler, and also to everyone who's watching right now. So these are the different ingredients. So we have the oatmeal. We also have the pure honey, and then the olive oil, and then of course my favorite, lemon, because lemon or citrus are the best source for vitamin C. And vitamin C is not just good for our immune system, but it also good for our skin. So let's go and do the solution then. The first solution that we're going to make will be consist of these different ingredients. We have the oats, the honey, 1/4 cup of honey, and then 3 teaspoons of olive oil. So we are ready now to mix our ingredients together. So we will put all the ingredients here in this small bowl. This bowl already contains the 1/4 cup of pure wild honey. So first we have to put the 3 teaspoons of oats. 2, 3, and then we'll just have to pour this olive oil directly to the small bowl, since I've already measured this one a while ago, and 3 teaspoons na po ito. Right, just pour it down there. There you go. Oops. Yeah. So since we are using pure honey and also olive oil, and it's kind of messy sometimes when you do it, so make sure to have something like a table napkin or a table placemat to place under sa mga ginagamit mo, para hindi rin siya messy sa table niyo. So all I have to do is just mix them together just like that. Yeah, parang ang sarap niya kainin, no? Pero what we're doing now is not really for eating, but for our skin. Lagay ko lang siya dyan. So, there you go. So, it's just easy as that. So, once you're done mixing the ingredients together, you can place this one in a small container or a trinket, and then make sure lang na once you've done mixing or putting them in a jar or in a small container, na kailangan talaga siya ilagay sa refrigerator, kasi nga this is a natural product and organic product, meaning to say it can attract bacteria easily. So kailangan talaga siya naka-seal, tapos ilagay siya sa refrigerator. And once you are ready to use it, or if you want to use it, you should use it before you take a shower. So for this one, just put it on your skin and leave it for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, just rinse it off with warm water. Alright, so I think we're done here for the first solution. So let's go ahead and mix the other solution. Ang pangalawang solution na gagawin natin is consist of these different ingredients, such as your crushed or smashed avocado. Pwede mo rin siyang i-grind if you have a fruit grinder, but since I don't have, so I just use the mortar and pestle to smash or crush the avocado. And then we also need to have lemon juice, so I squeezed that lemon juice earlier. And then the last one will be, again, 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Alright, I guess we're ready to mix all of these ingredients together. Ang gagawin lang natin is ibuhos yung mga liquid na ingredients sa small na bowl na ito that contains the avocado, the smashed avocado. So, let's pour first the olive oil. There you go. So again, be careful not to mess around since it's oil. Just place it in here, and then I'll pour this itong lemon juice sa bowl na ito. There you go. And then just mix them together with a teaspoon. Right. So when you're mixing them together, pag ano na, parang it has texture, makikita mo naman yun pag nagmi-mix ka, na meron na siyang texture. That's when you stop mixing your product or your ingredients. Alright, just like this one. Alright, so all you have to do is just place this one in a container, in a small jar, and then seal it tightly, and then put it in the refrigerator. Because again, this is a natural product, an organic product, can attract bacteria easily. So we have to put them in a refrigerator. So there you have it, guys. My two of my DIY solutions, my organic moisturizer, and just to give a little background about this solution, how I was able to discover this one. So like I've mentioned earlier, that as a scuba diver, I am always exposing myself to sunlight or to the harsh of the sea breeze. So nakaka-dry siya ng skin, at tapos hindi naman talaga maganda yung skin ko. I have an oily or acne prone skin, so I always resort to organic products. So I started using this one early last year, I mean, and it was a time na parang I got stung by a jellyfish. So I make use of some products na galing sa pharmacies and all, pero it did not take any effect at all. So I resorted to this organic or natural products that I can find in my kitchen. So yung ginawa ko, I keep on researching about any solution that can really help me get rid of the rashes. And then I came across to this solution na pwede siyang maging as a moisturizer. So yun, I started using it, and then I love it naman. I love the result. I love the result, and I'm still doing it. I'm still using it until now. Since dalawa yung solution na pinakita ko sa inyo, what I usually do with those two solution, parang ina-alternate ko siya every other week. So first yung oats na solution, and then on the following week I use the avocado solution. So yun, so it helps naman in such a way. So I hope also na this video or this vlog will be able to help you guys, especially now na we are still in quarantine. So I don't think na everyone would feel safe going to a beauty salon or a derma clinic or a derm clinic para lang magpa ng skin, right? So we still don't have the vaccine for the virus, so we still have to stay at home. So staying at home means you have to rate your kitchen and make organic products for yourselves. So yeah, so I hope that will I hope this vlog will make your day, Casey Marlers. So I am so happy that you've made that comment, because like I said, I'm also using this one. So personally, so I just want to inspire you guys to also make use of the organic products. So go and raid your kitchen and find anything that you can find that you think that will be useful for your skin or for your body. So again, if you think this video is very helpful, just kindly click the thumbs up or the like button. And also, if you have any suggestions or any feedback from this vlog or in this video, just leave your comment on the comment box below. And also, I want to hear any results from your end. If you will be using this one, just leave a comment in the comment box. And also, if you're new to my channel, just kindly click the red button na subscribe, and then click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. And again, before I'll end this vlog, I just wanna tell you guys that you are very special. Keep on smiling, and the rest of the world will be smiling as well. See ya!